Hi, in this beginner piano drill, we're going to learn the names of all the notes on the piano, and then we're going to have a 5-minute practice exercise where you get familiar with all the white and black notes. So basically, you can see the piano has 2 black notes, 3 black notes, and that pattern repeats all the way up and down the piano. If you go to the side of the 2 black notes, we get to the note C. And then from there we go up the alphabet, C, D, E, F, G. Now, in music there's no note after the note G. So once we get to G, we're up to A, and then the alphabet starts again, B and C. So even though we started on C there, the alphabet actually started on B, A here. So basically, if you can use these landmarks that for these 2 black notes, we've got a C here, and 3 black notes, we've got an F sitting here. And as you go through the drill and as you get familiar, these notes will become more familiar for you. But a very, very important skill to learn so you know what notes you're supposed to play on the piano. All right, now let's talk about the black notes. These are given 2 names. We can either relate it to the note below it. So if we've got a C here, the note above it is C sharp. So sharp means it gets higher. Or we can think of it as this note here, D flat. So flat's getting lower. So just drilling it here, G sharp. We've got our G here. That's G sharp. But it's also called A flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to step through a 5-minute exercise. And how this is going to work is I'm going to call out a note and then I'm going to play it about a second later. It's your job to try and beat me to playing it. And as you repeat the exercise, you'll get faster and faster with this. For the first minute, I'll just focus on white notes. For the second minute, I'll focus on the black notes. Starting off by calling them sharps, and then I'll go through the flats. The third time, I'm going to mix between the blacks and the whites. The fourth time, we're going to introduce octaves. So if I say C, if I say up an octave, what I mean is I'm going up 8 notes, or essentially just replicating that note to the next one above. So if I was here, and I call out G down an octave, that's what I mean there. Because essentially these are all the same notes. They're just sounding lower and higher in pitch as you go up or down the piano. And then finally, for the last minute, I'm going to do a mixture of white and black notes and calling out up and down the octaves as well. With the notes that I call out, I'm going to try and keep it within this range. So this is actually middle C, where I've got the little sticker there. And we're going to try and keep all the notes within this range. Having said that, if you find yourself playing the notes in different ranges, don't worry about that. I'm more interested in you getting familiar with the notes, no matter how high or low they are on the keyboard. But as you repeat the exercise, see if you can keep it within that range as you get more comfortable with the exercise. Keep coming back to this exercise until you're really, really familiar with the note names on the piano. If you find it too challenging, slow down the YouTube playback speed, or just stop the video and work out what the note names are, practice them in isolation, and then see if you can do it with the practice exercise. Okay, let's practice learning all the names of the notes on the piano in this 5-minute practice drill. Here we go. C, E, G, B, D, F, A, C, G, D, A, E, B, F, D, B, G, E, C, A, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, C, E flat, F sharp, A, D flat, E, G, A sharp, D, F, G sharp, B, E flat, G, B, D, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F, C, up an octave, G, down an octave, E flat, down an octave, A flat, up an octave, F sharp, up an octave, B flat, down an octave, D, up an octave, A, down an octave, D flat, up an octave, G, down an octave, C, F, E flat, down an octave, A flat, D flat, B, up an octave, F sharp, B flat, A, down an octave, E, G, F, up an octave, D flat, A sharp, D, down an octave. Hey, well done if you got all those notes. If you didn't or you're finding this challenging, just slow down the playback speed or keep coming back to this exercise, because the more and more you do it, the more familiar you'll become. So eventually you want to be beating me to the note as I call them out, so the recall is really fast and really natural there. I hope this exercise was beneficial for you learning all your piano notes, and please come back to the channel to see some other foundation lessons where I've covered chords and inversions. Thanks heaps for everything, and I'll see you in the next video.